Welcome back, guys. Breakfast Club CTG. We back in this B. Today I'm gonna be unboxing a little blender. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Oyeet Go Power blender. I'm going to be going over my first impressions, initial thoughts. We're going to unbox it, check the whole thing out, and then I'm going to actually use it, and then I'm going to give you guys a rating. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm unboxing this Oyeet blender. It says Go Power Sport on the front of it, as you guys can tell. You got a nice photo of the actual blender here. Honestly, I'm pretty impressed with the packaging. It's super simple design, super modern and minimalistic. Let's go ahead and see what we got in this bad boy. So right off the bat it says, thank you for purchasing a Go Power. Register for your extended warranty, which I will be doing. Satisfaction guarantee, ask us anything. So first things first, we got this little instruction manual on the top here. It says Oyeet, little O, super clean, super well made. Like the packaging is super nice, slides right out. It's very, very modern. It has a modern feel to it. I'm really digging it. So Go Power user guide, we got one step closer to your wellness, satisfaction guarantee, welcome, safety first. Basically just the instructions, quick start guide, that sort of thing. It's super well made, digging it so far, very impressed. We got a 7-day transform for beginners, super pumped on this. This is really well made as well. This is just a really well made book. It comes with some recipes, day 2, day 3. I will be going a little bit more into depth. 14 days of wellness, weight loss smoothie plan in here as well. And then we got 7 muscle building smoothies for mass, which is gonna be awesome as well. Let's go ahead and unbox the actual product here. There we got, and a little tricky. All right, so get everything out of the box now. First off, we got a little cleaning brush, clean your actual blender. So you got some bristles here on the front, bristles up top, kind of angled, just in case you need to get in there, jab it a little bit. Next up, we got, I believe this might be like a little charger. No, so this is a little cap. Yep, this is a little cap, a little carrying handle, just boom, boom, boom. So this is how you open it, just clips, boom, good to go. Packaging is really well made. This is, I believe, the bottle. By the way, this packaging material is really, really awesome. I'm super impressed by it. All right, let me get everything out of the packaging. I'll go over my first impressions. All right, okay. All right, guys, so first impressions of this is really, really well made, super quality. I love the handle on the bottle here. It feels like a plasticky, rubbery, almost like impact resistant material. It says Oyeet on here, so you got the Oyeet there, you got the measuring there, 10 ounces, 5 ounces, which is awesome, especially when measuring liquid amounts. And then this is the actual blender head right here. So this is gonna screw into this, twist on like that, and I believe you're just gonna go press and go. So you got a red bottom, chrome top, you got the blade head there, motor thing. This is super clean, super nice right off the bat. I'm super impressed by this. This looks super dope. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew this so you guys can see the little blades. All right guys, so this is the blade head. As you can tell, it just screws in here. Screw it on, or load all your ingredients into this bad boy first, get the blade head, screw it on, boom, blend, flip it out, put this down, throw on your cap. The cap screws in like this, and you got your smoothie. So let's see, chug your smoothie, that's it. All right guys, so there you have it. I'm gonna be taking you tomorrow through a post-workout smoothie / meal and an at-home workout that you can do either indoors, outside, in your garage, wherever. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. That new little blender comes in so handy, man. It's almost like a magic bullet, but swaggier and just better. It blends super smooth. It's made for smoothies and athletic type drinks, post-workout drinks, man. So if you're an active person, definitely check it out. Right now, they're having a first 100 giveaway. Basically, they're giving 100 blenders away for free. So go over to the link in the description or go over to Instagram, follow me there and click the link in the description and follow that to their website to where you guys can enter to win yourself a free blender before they launch, man. Once they launch, I'm gonna have a special code for you guys so you guys can get one at a discounted price. Super awesome, man. Super awesome. As you guys can tell, I'm going through some renovations here, which you guys will see in a later video of a new little setup I got going on. But that's gonna do it for this video, man. If you guys want to pick up any of that protein you guys saw in that clip there, it's 1UP Nutrition, mint, cookies and cream, super bomb, man. Tastes just like a dessert. Tastes like a chocolate chip mint Oreo milkshake blast, whatever you want to call it, man. Tastes amazing. Probably one of the best purchases of 2020, some might argue. So go ahead and pick some up. Use the link in the description. Use code SHOTSG at checkout. That'll save you 20% off on top of any sale that they got going on, man. So it saves you guys some cash. It helps me grow. We all make gains, baby. Let's go. For training and nutrition coaching, hit the link in the description. I'd love to help you guys out. I'd love to help you find that fun and excitement in your training. As always, Breakfast Club CTG. We out this beat.